My mentor told me that knowledge and skills are the first thing I need in wealth creation. I told him, boss, I'm starting this particular platform. I'm new and I want to learn as I go. He said, yes, of course you can. It is easy and it is good for you to even document your story as you learn. So what industry are you now? And how do you plan to learn and grow and earn as you grow? First thing you learn, second thing you earn, third thing you grow, because you need to learn, then grow. Maybe earn. But you can pivot, you can learn, then earn small, then grow with what you learn. So of all what you need in 2025, of all I need in 2025, I need to learn in a sector, a particular subject, a particular topic. Maybe it's trending, but I think on a long time, I think about 10, 20, 30 years to come. So what is it that will be ready for this next of years? And I will try to learn it now. And maybe I can end with it while trying to document my story. One of the things that everybody's talking about online now is building a personal brand. You are within my age, you are in your mid 30 or you are early 30, you need to learn how this AI work and build a personal brand. Learn AI, some basic AI tools that you can use to make your life easy. That is the point of this. Just to make your life easy with AI. And second thing is just learn a particular skill. On the long run, you can see work with it, grow with it, and earn with it. Yeah.